recommend this for anybody coming here. They're good people.
This one was rated really high. Pool, the gate, that was a big deal for us. Kids playground, laundry room, and all kinds of stuff.
Love the laundromat, the showers.
Desert Sands RV Park is very pet friendly. Just about every tenant here has a pet. Facilities are nice and clean. Everything is completely fenced in with electronic gate. You're able to receive UPS, FedEx, and regular mail packages here.
It's just all around a good RV park.